Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with interesting concept, that is how to transpose data from row to column or column to row. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, also click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all upcoming videos. So today we will start on this particular topic. Before that, would request everyone to check the playlist. You will find 100 plus videos on Six Sigma certification, trainers, quality analyst, team leader, people management, MS Excel dashboards, tricks, Google Data Studio. Many more videos are there that will help you in your interviews, guys. So let's start today's concept, that is on how to transpose the data. So sometimes we may require the data that to be in row or maybe in the column. Suppose you can see here, I have a data which is in the column way, and I need to update in a row, or maybe in a row I need to update in the column. How I can do this? So first of all, you need to select the entire data. Post doing that, where you want to paste it, select that particular column. First we will do manually. How we can do? Go to home at the top of the screen, click on uh click on paste. You will find option as paste special, right? So before doing this, just select one column so that it will be easy to paste. Okay, I need to paste out here. Paste, paste special. You will get one dialog box of paste special. On the bottom of this particular box, you will find the option of transpose. If you click here, automatically the data will turn into a row. Like you can see, the data here is in column. It turned into row now. Now if I want to again convert it into column, again select the data, click on paste at the home, down arrow, space special, again click on transpose, and okay, the data were converted. So in this way you can change your data from row to column and column to row. You can do this activity on multiple data also, with the huge number of data. There is also a shortcut you can use to transpose the data. You just can select the entire row, select any of the cell where you want to paste it, press alt H V S. This is the shortcut you can use, alt H S V S. I will just paste it over the screen as well, so that it will be easy for you to do this particular activity in shorter time. Click the transpose option. Yes, just everything is done. Again, you want to change it to the row, select any of the column, alt H V S, right, alt H S V S, transpose, correct. So this is done. I hope this is really helpful for you guys in order to transform your data, transpose your data from row to column or column to. If you still have any doubt, share your feedback in the comment section. Also let me know on which topic you required video in upcoming days. Thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching, have a great day.